Is they pretty much, you don't rain all year, and then we do need them, this happens. And so I went on Amazon and I picked up these, which are supposedly pretty good. They've gotten a pretty high review. They came like this. And the reason I chose these is they actually come in pretty much one size each for, because I got one that's 18 and one that's 19/20. So let's see how they look when we open up really quick and take a look. Okay, so they actually come, they've got a green cover here, which is nice. Two different sizes, and it looks like the pretty standard version of these. So let me put them on. 1 second. So what's kind of cool is this part right here pops right up, and that allows you to anchor it in here, which we'll do in a second. All right, so basically it's here, hooks in, and we're good. Remove the blade protector, snap that in place. There you go. I don't have it on all the way. There we go. So actually close this once it's down here. And I liked it how this is curved instead of having the pressure points here are the classics. All right, let's put the other one back on. Then we're on. Now, this is an older car, but, you know, still nice. This pops right off like that. New enough that they're using that, so that's kind of cool. There are, if you have a really old car, make sure that you either have this hook system or you got to get something else. So, put it in here. Locks in place. Bring it down here. We're not in all the way. There we go. And it's locked in place. Pull the protective strip, and we're in business. And these should work good. Now the wiper system on this car is really it's old. It needs work, but we'll see if this helps any. I'll run. Okay, so if we turn off the radio for a second. Actually, the blades are moving really nicely. This thing used to stick, so this is actually moving really, oh, that is, okay. For 18 bucks after tax and everything, this is worth it. Yeah, there we go. So my wiper blades are a little, there we go. They're a little, but it's clear. It's actually really clear, as you can see. So, definitely, you need to replace them. This is a good option. I am pleased with these.